Today is going to be an awesome day. We're headed with Coastal Rainforest Safaris, going out for otter whale watching and wildlife watching. Should be about a 5.5 6 hour trip. There's seats for 12 on the boat, as well as the captain and mate. And I'm just really stoked for this. I have been on the ferry up to Prince Rupert out of here, but have not gotten out on the water on the north end of the island. And so this is going to be a special one. We're just in getting suited up. We are wearing Mustang life suits, so it's 2-piece overalls and then a jacket with built-in life preserver. So come with me today as we get out on the water here in Port Hardy and on the North Island.
Yeah, we have them custom made down in Victoria. You might have seen the picture on the window up at the Otters as our old boat that we had.
Another one over there.
Oh, okay. Wonderful as these creatures are, they are large and powerful. Standing at 15 meters in length and weighing about 40 tons. And they have the largest pectoral fin to body ratio out of all whales. So their pectoral fins can get up to about 4 meters long. But also you get to see the underside of the tail fluke. They all have very specific designs that they have underneath the tails. Aber Sie verstehen gut.
Okay, danke. So we started out here in Hardy Bay, came up here along the channel, past Niji Island and Hope Island. We came across the Orcas out about here. Cape Pseudo is the most northerly point on Vancouver Island. Came back up along. Out here is where we had lunch, lots of sea otters in here. We came around, and then the village site was right in here. Then we came back down along this way. We came into here. This is where we saw more humpbacks. And then the narrow section we came between these islands. And then it was back over and back to Hardy Bay.